Welcome. Today in front of me OnePlus Nord CE Lite, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So let's just first open the Play Store application, and now here into the search pool we should enter the Ampere. So now we should get this application. That's why I tap here to install, and just wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, just tap here to open the app and click yes, I agree, then pick close, and on the left down corner tap here to OK. And now we can see here the information with our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 28.1 degrees. Also we can find here just more info about our device battery, like the level, health, capacity, and the info like the Android version, the device model, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.